Catch that shine, catch that, catch. Oh. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharon. Today I'm giving you a final hair review on this wig. I've been wearing this wig non-stop every day. If I go somewhere, this wig is being put on my head. Yes, I am not switching it up with any other wig. This is the only wig I have been wearing. And I have to say that I love it. I did an unboxing, my first impression, thoughts of this wig. So if you haven't, I'm gonna put a little something right there, click on it, and then you could go ahead and see my first initial review on this wig. But I'm here to give it all to you. So I've been able to wear this wig for over 30 days. So if you're here for this hair, this volume, red lip, these earrings, go ahead, lovey, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe. I'm building my community, our community. I want you to be a part of the growth of this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. This wig, if you don't know, is from Hair Vivi, and Hair Vivi is known for having wigs for beginners. Pretty much you don't have to pluck because they have a pre-plucked hairline. Their knots come bleached, so you don't have to bleach your knots on your lace. It has a fake scalp. Gives it a more scalp-like appearance, and you don't have to bob cap, so you don't have to do that. So it's supposed to be a wig that you just grab, take it out the box, do your thing, put it on your head, brush it, maybe put a little curl if you want, and go out the door. Quick, simple, easy. I have been eyeing Hair Vivi for a while, since they came out, and the wigs look amazing, and I was like, ooh, I need one of these wigs. It took me a long time to decide what I wanted. Not until I went on my vacation to Colombia, and I have 3 vlogs out. Go ahead, check out those vlogs, because I was wearing this hair. I wanted something that was very simple for me to put on, to wear, and not have to be worried about how my lace looking. Do I need to glue this down? Do I need to lay baby hairs? And I don't even know how to lay baby hair, so I need a simple, easy wig just to throw on. This wig is Lillian in 22 inches and in Wavy. She is gorgeous. I love her. I love this color. So I got a thick wispy bang, and it's very cute. It's like clip-in extensions. You just clip it right here, and then you have a bang. And if you want to see the bang, go ahead and check out my previous Hair Vivi video. Leave me a comment down below. What do I want to know? I want to know if you've ever bought a Hair Vivi wig. If so, what is her name? What wig? And what is your favorite wig company other than Hair Vivi? So let a girl know so I could check them out, because I am looking for new wigs and I need to know. The color is amazing. It's great quality. It's colored, but it isn't dead. You know how most hair is like dry and you have to deep condition it. You know, usually when you see like an ombre, it's just dark, a line, and then like blonde. I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. It looks so cheap, so amateur. It's just like, what is going on? Why would you even do this to this hair? Like, what's going on? Click the like button if you know what I'm talking about. How there isn't a graduation. Is it a graduation? We're gonna make it that's gonna be the word today. It isn't a graduation or a gradual lightening of the hair color. So I love this because it's done flawlessly. If you're not into color, this is a good wig for you. So you could like step your foot into color, just dab your foot in a little color. But I love it. My mirror is over here, so that's why I'm looking over here. So I'm checking myself out. The wig can be straightened. You can straighten the wig, but it's very soft. When you flat iron soft hair, it doesn't really hold. I don't know. You don't really want to straighten this hair. You can straighten it, and I tried to straighten it, and it goes straight, but it's not that bone straight. It's very silky, so it's hard to get it straight. At least for me, it's hard. So yeah, you can straighten it. You can curl it. Definitely, this is curled. I use my wand. I just put I just wrapped the hair around the wand and got these spirals, and then I just finger combed it out. So just finger combed it, and this is the hair. So I love this. Got a little body. This is my go-to style. Like, I always want to get a wand and wand curl this hair, but I think it's because I don't know how to curl with the barrel, with a regular curling barrel. I can't do it with the little, you know. I'd rather wrap it around and just hold it and go. So yeah, it's low maintenance hair. So yes, it's colored, but it's low maintenance hair. I do the bare minimum for it, and like I said, I've been wearing it every day. So what I'll do is, when I just feel like it needs to be washed, if I've had a really active week and I put a lot of product in it, I will pretty much co-wash it, and I just use a cheap conditioner like Tresemme, and I just condition it. I don't put shampoo in it. Put it in there, brush it out, let it sit for a while, and then I rinse it out, let it air dry. And it's been amazing. Doesn't need a lot of products. I put like a little drop of oil, like 1 drop of oil, or 2 drops of oil in my hair, just to add some shine and moisture to it. But I love this hair. So I realized that my go-to hair type or texture is wavy or a body wave, because I like to jump and go, like get out the bed, put on my hair and go. I don't want to curl and do flat iron every day. So pretty much with this hair, what I did in Colombia is, so I wand this hair for this video, but when I was in Colombia, I only wet it. So I would wet it, put a little conditioner in it, and then I also have a spray. I think it's Garnier Fructis spray, and it's a gel, but it's in the spray form. And I just spray it, and then I just scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it, and then I just go. And that's how I was wearing my hair in Colombia, and it was the best ever. One good thing I know is also about the wig, it doesn't have a horrible smell. So usually when you get hair or wigs, they have a scent, and the scent isn't pleasant. It's just, it stinks, pretty much it stinks. And it really gives off a smell when the hair is wet. So I know I have hair that I actually love and I would purchase again, but the smell is so strong, especially when it's wet. It smells like corn chips. It's just so stinking, just stinking. So no, so it doesn't have a smell. Let's talk about shedding. There isn't a lot of shedding. I have noticed shedding, but not a lot. I don't understand how people would assume that a wig wouldn't shed. It's not growing out of the lace, so yeah, it's gonna shed. But I think how you take care of it will determine how much your wig will shed. So I'm very gentle with it. I brush it when it's wet, and I brush it very gently. And I brush it when it has like conditioner or something in it, not necessarily dry. I do brush it dry, but I try to brush it only when it's wet. And then I let it air dry, so it comes with its natural wave, so I don't have to do much to it. It doesn't tangle. It's very good. It's not like prone to tangles or to tangling. You just gotta brush it out. You know, just brush it out. You can't leave it sitting forever, just not brush. Like, you gotta brush it. So also, I wanted, was it 200? I wanted the 200% density wig because I like a lot of hair. I'm from South Florida. I live in South Florida, and I think it's a South Florida thing. I want to say, I'm pretty sure we like a lot of hair. So we don't want it could look natural, but we don't want it to be realistic. Now, if we want it to look like it's coming out of our scalp, we want it to look really natural, like, oh, that's her hair, but we want it not to look realistic. So we don't want 100% density. We don't want maybe 2 bundles. No, we want all the bundles. Put 4 bundles in, put 1 more bundle in. We want it full, we want it thick. We also want it long. I like my hair to reach the back of my I don't want to use your words. the top of my tailbone, because I was going to say something else, but let's not go there. But I wanted to reach my tailbone, so I wanted it to be long and full and thick. So I wanted 200% density, so it's going to add a week to my delivery time and everything, and I didn't have time to wait for that because I was going on my trip, so I needed it right then and there. So I decided to get 150 because 150 was the most density you could get for in-stock wig. So you would get the wig right away. It was shipped within 24 hours. So I went with 150 instead of the 200, and I was scared. I was like, I don't know if it's gonna be thick enough because I like a lot of hair. But lovies, this hair, it's not thin at all. Like, you see this? It's not thin at all. So this is all the hair to the front, and this is how much hair I get. So yeah, loving this hair. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the back of the hair. This is the back. The sizing, I think I should have sized down. I think my wig is too big. I'm not quite sure. I always have issues with the size of my wig, and I think it's because of my hairline. My forehead stops right back here, and then the sides go up, so it's weird. So I have issues with that, but other than that, I can work around it. I want to get a wig custom made for my head, and I will when I find someone that's really good. If you have a big forehead, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Look at Rihanna. Rihanna got a big old forehead. Who else got a big forehead? Mariah Carey has a big forehead. Cute, and they're divas. Divas. Gorgeous divas. Who else has a big forehead? That's all I can think of, but I'm proud of my forehead. Okay, pricing. I talked about pricing in my previous Hair Vivi video. The pricing was amazing. I looked around through YouTube to get a discount code from like a YouTuber, but that was the best code that I found, which was on the Hair Vivi site when you sign up. So yeah, I got 15% off, I believe, and the hair came up, my wig came up to 3 something. Oh, I don't even remember. I don't remember. I got $50 off, like $55 off. I remember that much because I was excited. You know, your girl loves to get things, quality things, new quality products, but I love a discount code. It's like the best thing ever. I don't care if it's like $1, just to put that discount code in there, you're like, yes, I got $1 off. So excited. So I got the code, and I got $55 off, so that was amazing. Super happy about that. Also, I want to add on, this wig is so affordable because there are other brands or wig companies out there that's charging $600 for this type of wig, for this length. $600. So just keep that in mind. This is not bad at all. The shipping was super fast. I ordered the wig and I probably got it within the week. So super fast shipping. Shipping was free as well. So do I recommend this wig? Absolutely, absolutely. So I was on my AliExpress kick. I would get bundles, and then I would go to someone to get it sewed in, or to make a wig myself. So when I got maybe like 4 bundles and a frontal, the price came up to around $300 depending on the length. And I would get a 26-inch bundles, 4 bundles, a frontal, which would probably be 20 inches, I would say. And I would go to somebody to sew it, to have them sew it in, or I would make the wig myself. And so I would pay like $3 something for my hair, or yeah, like $300 for my hair. Then I would go get it sewn in. The girl I went to was very cheap and reasonable. I think her sewing was, I want to say $80. I don't even know. Yeah, like $80. So she was very affordable. So I went to her, $80 for a sew-in. But I would have to, beforehand, before I brought the hair to her, I would bleach the knots. And I was scared to pluck My frontal, I never wanted to pluck it or tweeze it, so I would try to find a frontal that already came pre-plucked. So I would spend like $380, $380. Then you gotta go buy the bleach. You have to get the Shimmering Lights shampoo, so for the knot, so it's not brassy. So with the bleach developer, the shampoo, then you have to actually bleach the hair yourself, bleach the knots yourself. Then you have to get it sewn in. All of that money and time, too much. It's too much. No. And then let's say you do make the wig yourself, because I have made a wig myself with AliExpress hair, and AliExpress hair is good. I'm just saying, this unit is made, like it's done. It's a wrap. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to go to anyone. It's done for you. You just go online, buy, ship it to you. It's done. You don't have to do anything else. So I have made wigs, but the first time I made the wig didn't come out right, so I had to redo it, and I still have to like rig my AliExpress wig I made myself. Just the time and the effort and the money, it's not worth it. Just go ahead, get you a unit that's already bleached for you, plucked for you. Why would you go through all the work and hassle? Gotta make your life easier. So love this wig. I would so recommend it. Like, I'm so in love. I love it and I feel so pretty. Just here for this look. If you're here for this red lip, if you're here for this hair and this wave and this body, honey, if you're here for this, for these earrings, you here for these earrings, go ahead and subscribe, and I need you to watch, and I'm gonna bring you everything you ever needed. Click that bell so you're notified when I do upload a video, so you'll be the first one to know, because you need to know. Okay, lovey, so thanks for watching. That wraps up this video, or we finished the Hair Vivi video.